Hello everyone. Today's video is going to cover the 5th generation Grand Caravan or Chrysler Town & Country minivan. In this case, we have an airbag light on, and the code that is set is B1C27-13. This code is defined as the left side thorax squib 1 circuit open. This airbag is mounted on the side of the seat and is generally designed to protect the occupant's rib cage. While you don't have to have an advanced scan tool to diagnose this, it does help. In this case, I recorded some live data from that wiring circuit while I was driving, and I found that when I removed the back of the seat here and then pulled on this wire harness, I noticed that the circuit would either open completely or remain consistently connected. So it's an intermittent issue that occurred while driving. And as I dug into this a little bit further, disassembled the seat. Keep in mind this is the driver's side seat, the driver front seat. I pulled this insulation back, this loom back from the wiring, and I found this pinched wire here. This wire is the circuit for the driver's side airbag or the thorax airbag, and as you can see, it has been cut in half by something. Something basically just pinched this wire here, and that's why the code was setting. Unfortunately, this wire harness is rather short and easy to replace. So what I ended up doing was looking into the seat here a little bit further, and I noticed that whenever this driver's seat was reclined back, as you can see like I'm doing right now, the mechanism back here, there's a little stop that prevents the seat from reclining any further. Right here is the stop. And what was happening is this wire harness was getting caught in that stop, and as the seat reclined all the way back and the stop hits right there, that wire harness was getting pinched in that stop, and eventually it just pinched the wire right in half. So that's what was causing the code to set. I didn't have to replace the airbag, I simply had to replace this harness. Again, like I said, this harness can be replaced separately. It's not that big of a harness. It's not like you have to replace the whole body harness on it. This harness is just on the seat. I find it's easier to just replace the harness than repair the wiring. There's not too many circuits on the seat, and it's a good idea to replace the entire harness rather than repair it when it comes to sensitive components like airbags. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helps you guys out, and I'll see you next time.